Hi there, I'm Erin Rathke. This Adobe Spark video covers some of the great features and points shared by our guest presenters during the Adobe Inject Creativity Deeper Dive on the 10th of June 2020. Brett Kent joined us to show us some great features of Premiere Elements. It was a brilliant presentation. Brett demonstrated how to create a green screen effect and add Creative Commons score in Premiere Elements. He added a sunset behind his little Lego man effectively by layering the timeline and showed us where to find the green screen key in the menu. Next, we were joined by Stephen Kolber, covering why the future is instructional video. His presentation was based on Pecha Kucha, which is a Japanese presentation format where you show 20 images each for 20 seconds. Stephen discussed the ways he worked towards engagement, connection, and collaboration during the challenges of implementing teaching and learning in COVID-19. I really enjoyed seeing how he set up his resources and recording area. Apparently, I have another podcast to subscribe to. Stephen is a regular contributor to the Teachers Education Review podcast.